Look at this forest. It is burning. Trees are falling, bears are running in panic with buckets of water. This is war. This is a disaster. But look at the president of the forest. The president is smiling. He looks at his green chart. The chart screams, "The economy is booming. Unemployment is zero. Everyone's pockets are full of cash." Wait, how? How does burning a forest make bears rich? Hello, my name is the Polar Bear. Welcome to Berloga. You have been lied to. The TV tells you that conflicts create jobs, that destruction starts factories and strengthens the economy. Let me show you the most arrogant illusion in the world. Meet Boris. He is a dark gray, hardworking bear. Before the chaos, the forest was quiet. Boris lived a chill life. He caught his 2 fish a day, scratched his back against a birch tree, and slept in the sun. The president hated this. "The economy is stagnating," the president complained. "Nobody is taking loans. We need action." And then the president invented a problem. "Wolves at the border!" he screamed from every screen. "We must protect our hives." The president opens the forest treasury, takes out a mountain of fish, and goes to Boris. "Boris, stop sleeping. I will pay you 10 fish a day to make very sharp sticks." Boris is shocked. 10 fish? That's a jackpot. Boris works like a maniac. Chop, chop, chop. He makes 1,000 sharp sticks. Then the president goes to Igor. "Igor, I will pay you 10 fish a day to dig huge holes along the river." Dig, dig, dig. Suddenly the whole forest is working. Worker bears are hauling wood. Soldier bears are marching with the sharp sticks. Nobody is sleeping. Everyone is loaded with cash. The president points to the charts on TV. "Look, GDP is through the roof. We are richer than ever." But then Boris gets hungry. Boris takes his massive pile of fish and goes to the store. "Give me a barrel of fresh honey," Boris says, "and that soft moss pillow." The store owner bear sighs. "No honey, Boris. All the bees have been drafted to make military-grade wax. No pillows either. All the moss was taken to camouflage the holes Igor dug." "Bro, all we have left are sharp sticks." Boris doesn't get it. He has more money than he's ever had in his life. But in reality, he is completely broke. That is the grand illusion. The president didn't create wealth. He forced the entire forest to waste time and resources on things you cannot eat. Things that only destroy. Remember the golden rule. If you break a window in a house, you give a job to the glassmaker. The glassmaker buys bread, the baker buys shoes. The economy is buzzing. Everyone is happy, but you didn't get any richer. You just spent a ton of energy and time to get back to where you were yesterday. Who actually won? Not Boris, not Igor. The only one who wins is the bear who owns the stick factory. War inflates the numbers on the charts, but it leaves your plates empty. Don't look at the amount of money, look at the amount of honey. This is Berloga. Think differently. Subscribe. I'm going back to hibernation.